Hi, I got a package in the mail, which is always exciting, but I had ordered some new holiday gift stuff for my website, so I am excited to show everyone. The printer I use for some of this stuff is Social Print Studio. They got that cute little heart thing going on. And they do my business cards. They do all sorts of... I show you it's fragile and then I'm ripping it. I know what's inside. All sorts of cool stuff. So, let's see what they've got for me this time. One thing that I really like, eco-friendly paper and packaging. Anytime that I get small things like magnets or business cards from them, they always come in these fabric pouches instead of plastic, and they're stuffing material paper instead of plastic. So I really appreciate that. Stickers! I always love this sticker. It's so colorful. Aww. Love is the bridge between you and everything. So cute little thank you note. And, well, envelopes. Even the envelopes are more of the eco-friendly. They're not glossed. They're not anything... Honestly, they're not anything fancy, which makes it really fancy to me. I find that really important. It's all of a recyclable, 100% recyclable craft paper base. So I got some stationery, new stationery to put up on the website for my holiday gifts. So lots of envelopes. I'll be making those gift bundles up. Lots of different types. And then the stationery itself, it's all recyclable, and if you look at the back, it even says 100% recyclable. So definitely some quality stuff. And as an environmental and conservation minded business, that's something I really care about, is selling things and providing you all with things that match with what, with what I'm trying to do. So we've got some, let's show. We've got some cool bird cards. So I have a new stationery line out that are thinking of you cards. They are little, they're blank on the inside, so you can write whatever you want. But a thinking of you, which could go for a holiday card. It could go for a birthday card. It could go for, like, thinking of you with the new year coming. Thinking of you on your birthday. Thinking of you. Hope you feel better. Anything. Hopefully everyone's safe, though. And you don't have to do feel better cards. But just in case, you can do that. So we've got all sorts of different designs there for those bird cards. So if you like birds, who doesn't like birds, right? They all have different, unique designs to be thinking of you. And then here's the other one, the goldfinch. So all sorts of different seasons. We've got winter, spring, summer, and fall. For those little birdies, nice and cute. You don't have to feel like you need to write your entire life story in here, but a nice heartfelt sentiment is perfect around the holidays. I also got in, you didn't see, I forgot to show these two. I've got owl and sapsucker too. So I was wondering why there were only 4 and not 6. So in each stationery pack, there's going to be 6 cool cards, all special, all nature themed, all 100% recyclable. Yay. I mean, honestly, this is just like paper and cardboard. It could even make, if you're using pencil or if you're using like a compostable ink that you're writing with, you could even just compost these as your organic or brown matter. I bet worms would love these once they get soggy. Just saying. And then we've got some cool, just blank, completely blank bird cards, nice winter holiday themed cards. So robins in the snow, ice on a pine tree, some fun conifers, some more snow-covered conifers. So all sorts of cool winter stuff if you're looking for just standard holiday cards. Lots of snow-covered things, snow-covered burbs. Tell me that's not a burb. That's for sure is a burb. If you want just your standard holiday cards, but you want them to be nature-themed, another burb. Cute burb, but burb. Raccoon in the winter. I have got you covered. So I've got new wildlife bundles, botanical bundles, and holiday landscape bundles going on that come with stationery. Not this sticker, but they'll come with stickers. It'll come with stationery, it'll come with stickers, and it'll come with a cool random magnet that I throw in. So we've got some great new stuff coming out on the website. You should go check it out for the holidays. And a portion of the proceeds, as always, a portion of the proceeds does go back to habitat preservation and wildlife conservation efforts. So this holiday, if you're looking for a way to give your friends and family presents, right, because that's what we do around the holidays, or hostess gifts, these make great hostess gifts. But if you're looking for that extra way to give back, I can do that for you. So you place an order on my website, you get your gift, and then I get to donate a portion of that back to organizations like American Forests, the local Audubon Society, National Wildlife Federation, Shark Trust. I mean, the Shark Trust normally goes with more of my marine associated stuff, but those are just some of the great organizations that I've been able to support because of people like you. So check out my website. It's at www.theartofecology.com, and you can get yourself some cool winter holiday gifts or just some swag for yourself, because why not treat yourself? 2020's been weird, so treat yourself a little bit. And as always, thank you for supporting me.